Did you know that a single cup of spinach provides over 100% of your daily vitamin K needs? This leafy green isn't just a side dish, it's a superfood with the power to transform your health. Stick around to discover why spinach deserves a spot in your daily diet. Welcome to the channel. I'm Clara Howie, and today, we're exploring the incredible health benefits of spinach, a superfood that's been celebrated for centuries. From ancient Persia to modern kitchens, spinach has a long history of being a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your immune system, or improve your overall health, spinach has something to offer. Let's dive into why this leafy green could be the key to unlocking your healthiest self. These days, many of us face common health challenges like fatigue, poor digestion, and a lack of essential vitamins in our diets. Processed foods and fast-paced lifestyles often leave us missing out on crucial nutrients. But what if there was a simple, affordable solution to many of these issues? That's where spinach comes in. It's not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but it's also low in calories and easy to incorporate into almost any meal. If you've ever felt like your diet could use a boost, spinach might just be the answer you're looking for. Let's break down what makes spinach so special. Iron. Spinach is an excellent plant-based source of iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout your body and keeps your energy levels up. This makes it especially important for those who are prone to fatigue or follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Vitamins A and C. These vitamins are essential for a strong immune system, healthy skin, and good vision. Just one serving of spinach provides a significant portion of your daily needs. Calcium. Think dairy is the only way to get calcium? Think again. Spinach offers a plant-based source of calcium to support strong bones and teeth. Antioxidants. Spinach is loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration as you age. Folate. This nutrient is crucial for cell growth and brain function, making spinach an excellent choice for pregnant women or anyone looking to support their mental clarity. But the benefits don't stop there. Spinach is also great for digestion, thanks to its high fiber content, and it can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a common factor in many chronic diseases. Let me share an inspiring story about the power of spinach. A recent study found that people who incorporated just 1 cup of spinach into their daily diet showed significant improvements in their energy levels and reduced signs of oxidative stress after just 4 weeks. I also heard from a friend who struggled with low energy and digestion issues. After adding spinach smoothies to her mornings, she noticed a huge difference in her overall health, clearer skin, better focus, and no more mid-afternoon crashes. These real-life examples show that small, consistent changes, like adding spinach to your meals, can have a big impact on your health. So, why is spinach considered a superfood? It's packed with essential nutrients like iron, vitamins A and C, calcium, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to better energy, a stronger immune system, and overall wellness. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked into your favorite dishes, spinach is a simple, versatile way to take your nutrition to the next level. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you experienced the benefits of spinach in your diet? Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a little health inspiration, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.